Before you build a website with Cargo Collective, pause for a moment because most people think all website builders are the same. The surprising truth is that Cargo is designed for creatives, not businesses. Cargo Collective is a website builder focused on artists, photographers, designers, and portfolios. It allows you to create visually striking websites with unique layouts. Unlike traditional builders, Cargo gives you more creative control over design and structure. Getting started involves choosing a template and customizing it with your content. You can adjust layouts, typography, and animations. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They expect simple drag-and-drop tools. Cargo requires a bit of learning, but the results look professional. You won't believe what happens next when creatives use Cargo. Their work stands out, and clients take them more seriously. However, Cargo is not ideal for large online stores or complex websites. It is best for portfolios and visual storytelling. The surprising truth about Cargo Collective is that it is about expression, not speed. If this honest review helped you, subscribe for more creative tool insights.